This will be our farm. Looks empty. We can grow vegetables here. Yeah.
First, we prepare the land. Whoa! Then, we do this.
The soil looks perfect.
Let's plant bent carrots and tomatoes.
Tiny seeds today, big vegetables tomorrow.
Ha 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 ha! Time to raise some chickens.
Welcome to your new home.
Our first cow.
Healthy cows make good milk.
Now we wait for them to grow.
Fresh eggs already. Huh.
Fresh milk from the farm.
Our farm is starting. This is just the beginning. Oh, joy! Another farm.
Oh, okay. First date. Don't panic. Just act normal. Ha! Totally normal. Hey, ready? Oh, hey. Oh, hey.
Oh, hi. I mean, hello.
Relax,
Relax. I brought you something. Hey, really? Oh, that's actually really sweet. I didn't know what girls like. You did good. Let's get something to eat. Good idea.
Good idea. I'll take, whatever she's having. You don't even know what I'm ordering.
Careful. Careful.
Totally planned.
You're really nervous, aren't you? Maybe a little.
I just don't want to mess this up.
You're doing fine, ready?
Oh, thanks.
This is actually fun. See? Today was a good date. Yeah, the best one I've had.
Okay, today is the day. Pink, will you? No, that's wrong.
Reddy said he wanted to meet here. Hey, Reddy! Hi! Why do you look so nervous? Do I? You wanted to tell me something?
Pink?
We've been through a lot together.
Yeah, We have.
And you're the best thing that ever happened to me.
Pink.
Will you marry me?
Oh my. Jättetopos, jättefilder tekvanthibes. Yes, Il. Of course I will. I love you. I love you.
I love you too.
Ready? We have a baby now.
What? Where did it come from?
An angel brought it. An angel? Seriously?
Oh, wait! W-E-H, when did this happen? Ah! I heard there is a baby!
No chaos near the baby.
He likes me.
Wait! Don't touch that! Why would you bring that here? Oh! Get it away! I told you not to touch it!
Get her! Get down here!
This baby is a genius.
No more toys! No more toys!
Parenting is hard.
Try this one.
Brud!
Nice and quiet today. Finally.
What a perfect day! Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh.
Whoa!
It's okay.
I wasn't looking where I was going.
I noticed. You're kind of funny. You're kind of funny. I am? Come sit. You look nervous.
Do I?
So, what's your name?
Ready.
Oh, that's a nice name. And what's your name? Pink. Awesome. Want to walk around the town with me? Sure. You're very quiet.
You're very quiet.
I'm thinking. Iwebao.
Yeah.
It's nice spending time with you. Yeah, this town is nice.
Nana. Whoa. That's not what I meant.
Wait. Did I say something wrong?
Yeah. You're kind of clueless, you know that? Kyokba, let's hang out again tomorrow.
I'd like that.
Married life is actually really peaceful. Married life is actually really peaceful.
Yeah, it is.
Why is he here?
Why is he here?
Oh no!
Oh no! Why is he here?
We were having a peaceful day.
Not anymore.
What did you do? What did you do? You did the guys do?
Don't know. Science!
Stop breaking our house! Oh!
Give me that! You thing!
No!
No! Hey! I said give it to me! Oops!
Well, yeah. What just happened?
Next time you knock, jerk! We mean it.
We need someone to watch the baby. Please, Reddy, can you stay home today? All right, fine. Just this once.
We need someone to watch the baby.
I'll find someone.
But we have to go now.
Just wait a second.
Oh! Direct! Did someone say babysitter?
This is a bad idea. What's the worst that could happen?
Let's not find out.
Today we learned science. Bah.
That wasn't supposed to happen. Gravity is optional now. Gravity is optional now.
Why do I hear explosions? Probably because there are explosions. B-R-U-D! Whoa! B-R-U-D! I told you no magic in the house! Whatever! This is amazing!
He pressed the button.
Oh, Brood again! Oh, Brood, look at him!
No more babysitting! No more babysitting! No more babysitting! No more babysitting!
Baby chaos continues.